Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're gonna learn how to use هناك in order to say there is and there are in Arabic. We're also gonna learn how to express possession in Arabic in sentences like I have a car, you have a house, he has a dog, and so on. Now let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to table 1 to see how we can say there is and there are in Arabic. Let's read the first one. هناك مستشفى. هناك مستشفى. There is a hospital. Now let's go over to the right side to see how we can say there isn't a hospital or there is no hospital. ليس هناك مستشفى. ليس هناك مستشفى. So as you can see, in order to negate هناك, we put ليس before it. هناك meaning there is, there are, and then ليس هناك meaning there isn't or there aren't. Let's do another one. هناك حديقة. هناك حديقة. There is a park. And on the right side, ليس هناك حديقة. ليس هناك حديقة. There isn't a park or there is no park. Great. Now let's move on to the second table to learn how to say to have in Arabic. In Arabic, in order to form sentences like I have, you have, he has, she has, and so on, we need to use the word عند, عند, which means to have, plus an attached pronoun. Now let's look at how we can say he has and he doesn't have. That would be عند plus the attached pronoun for he, which is who, عنده. عنده. This means he has. Now let's see how we can say he doesn't have. ليس عنده. ليس عنده. So again, in order to negate عند, we just put ليس before it and we have the negation. We have عند, which means to have, and ليس عند, which means not to have. Now let's look at another one. She has and she doesn't have. عند plus the attached pronoun for she, her, عندها. عندها, meaning she has. Now let's see how we can say she doesn't have. ليس عندها. ليس عندها. Alright, great. That's all the grammar we're going to need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1. I have a car. عندي سيارة. Number 2. He has a bicycle. عنده دراجة. Number 3. Does she have a dog? هل عندها كلب? Number 4. I don't have any cats. ليس عندي قطط. Number 5. Do you have a cell phone? هل عندك هاتف? Number 6. Do you have a house? هل عندكن بيت? Number 7. He doesn't have a job. ليس عنده عمل. Number 8. There is a park near my house. هناك حديقة بالقرب من بيتي. Number 9. There is a big cinema in my city. هناك سينما كبيرة في مدينتي. Number 10. There is a good restaurant near my house. هناك مطعم جيد بالقرب من بيتي. Number 11. There is no hospital in my village. ليس هناك مستشفى في قريتي. Number 12. There are no good schools in my city. ليس هناك مدارس جيدة في مدينتي. Number 13. There aren't any Arabic restaurants in my city. ليس هناك مطاعم عربية في مدينتي. Number 14. There is a good university in my city. هناك جامعة جيدة في مدينتي. Number 15. There are children in the park. هناك أطفال في الحديقة. Number 16. There are no dogs in the park. ليس هناك كلاب في الحديقة. Number 17. I have a dog and a small cat. عندي كلب وقطة صغيرة. Number 18. Do you have a good job? هل عندك عمل جيد؟ Number 19. Do they have a big house? هل عندهم بيت كبير؟ Number 20. There are no hotels in my village. ليس هناك فنادق في قريتي. Number 21. I don't have a good computer. ليس عندي كمبيوتر جيد. And number 22. She doesn't have a good teacher. ليس عندها معلم جيد. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.